Welcome to 1246 Tamara Drive in Pensacola, Florida. This is our new listing that we have coming soon. As you can see, we are in a very well-established neighborhood in Pensacola. Beautiful oak trees throughout this entire neighborhood. We have a freshly pressure washed driveway and walkway in front area of the home. Really nice, wonderful sitting front porch out here, as well as retractable hurricane shutters. As you can see, these ones are very easy to operate yourself, just to close up and lock up. So no pulling up and down of hurricane shutters. These ones are the very easy ones to maneuver. So coming into the main entryway here, we have a formal sitting room with a fireplace and built-in cabinetry for additional storage in the front room, which flows nicely into the formal dining space. I will show you that in just one second. It's just over this way, but I will take you around through the kitchenway as well. So this is a ranch style house here. We have a coat closet here, just as you enter the front door, with some privacy doors that you can close off to your guests into the living space, which flows nicely into the living room here. We have two light fixtures and a ceiling fan in here. Little vaulted ceiling in here, giving for a little bit of a more spacious feel. Fireplace on this side as well, with some built-in cabinetry, with some nice brick accent. Into the kitchen over here, very spacious. We have a nice sized breakfast nook over here. Granite countertops in the kitchen, and a new wall oven with an electric cooktop. We also have a pantry as well, right over here, next to where the refrigerator would be. And again, this flows nicely right into the formal dining space. This is a really nice size formal dining space too. I would definitely say you could get an 8, maybe even a 10 top in this space here. Just off the kitchen, we have a side door entryway from the driveway and the garage. Into the 2-car garage, we have pull-down storage and attic stairs for additional storage space, with a bonus door that goes out into the backyard, and I will take you out through the main living space there, so you can get a peek at that. Let me take you out over here and show you the entryway just off of the drive here. So we have gated access to the backyard with a nice long drive here, again freshly pressure washed, and into the 2-car garage over here. All right, moving on into the backyard. I'll go ahead and give you a tour of that. Wonderful spacious backyard here, fully fenced backyard with a nice sized storage shed here as well. Nice storm door here for lots of natural light, as well as a nice sized covered patio out here. Lots of shade in this backyard as well. So we have an extended patio as well over here. Wonderful tall oak trees here in this backyard. So just over this way, we have the very large storage shed with a ramp that goes up into it. I'll give you a peek inside here. Very spacious. Definitely a bonus to have on top of that 2-car garage. Now I'll go ahead and take you into the to see the rest of the house. The 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. All right. Let me go ahead and get you in here. We have 2 hall linen closets. Here's the first full bath over here. We have a shower tub combo with a single vanity in this bathroom. First bedroom over here is on the front side of the house. Pretty good sized rooms here, lots of natural light. Decent sized closet as well. We have some wood built-ins in all the closets here actually. We have hall laundry space here with plenty of additional storage and a utility sink as well, which goes right into the master bath, which I just love that feature. Super convenient. I will show you around coming in when we come into the master bath here. Second bedroom, again on the front side of the house. Really nice size rooms here. You can definitely get a king size bed in this room for sure. This one is a little bit larger than the last one that I just showed you. And right over here into the master. Definitely room for a king size bed in this room as well. We have a really great walk-in closet here. Lots of storage space in there. Deeper than the other 2. With lots of additional shelving, which goes right into the master bath. Plenty of room here for a double vanity if you wanted to do that upgrade and add a double vanity to this space. We also have a linen closet in here for additional storage, and this is the entry that goes back into the laundry. And into the bathroom here, we have a shower tub combo. And very nice sized bathroom over here. All right, I'll give you one last peek at the kitchen. And let us know if you have any questions about this one. It's in a really great neighborhood, very well established. And let us know if you have anybody who's interested or you'd like to set up a private showing. We'd love to show you. This is 1246 Tamara Drive in Pensacola, Florida.